Hi, Lauren Hughes here, still talking vacation rentals this entire week. And now we're talking about insurance. We've been talking about all the hidden fees that you have to look out for. Now the next kicker is insurance. So we've talked about taxes, maintenance, lifespans, rental periods, random costs, property management, wear and tear, insurance. Are you going to insure your house? I don't know. That's up to you. And it depends where you are. Some places you have to have it, some places you don't. I would say all of my homes in the United States have insurance on them. The ones out, it just kind of depends on what country they are. And so something to think about, because you can have insurance everywhere, right? Are they going to pay you out everywhere? That's the big kicker, and that's what I've been struggling with in Roatan, Honduras, is getting the house insured. But then I've been too concerned about the payouts because I see the houses that the insurance company insures. My house isn't one of them. I mean, this is a luxury rental. It's a luxury property. It stands out. And so I actually have not had this property insured. The reason is because I didn't think I would ever get a payout because the numbers would be too high. So if you're looking at a property outside of the United States, you do have to check out insurance. And then also, that's the kicker, I could have been paying for insurance this entire time, but would it have mattered if I had a claim? No, I don't think I would have been paid out, because I see the homes that they insure, and then I see this one. They're not on equal footing. This is a luxury home. And so that's one of the concerns or issues I had with insuring this house. It's not that I didn't want to, it's that I didn't think anyone would pay it out if something happened. So definitely check your insurance policies. If they're available in your area, they might or might not be, but then also check out the integrity of that company. And just because everybody uses it or all the neighbors use one certain company, you gotta watch out, because, well, what we've seen in different areas of the United States is sometimes smaller companies, if there's a bunch of claims, there's a hurricane, it's gonna wipe small companies out of business. And when you're having a house on an island, there's more risk, and getting a payout with an insurance claim is also, it's almost like you think the two go together in the United States, and I tend to take those things for granted. I'm like, well, I have an insurance policy, it's going to pay out, unless it's an act of God, which, don't get me started on this one. But at places like this where I'm at, it's just not available, or it is, but not at this level, and not my expectation, because they wouldn't fix it to the level that I want it to be fixed to. So then it becomes, what's the point? But that's ultimately up to you, but it's something to definitely consider. And just because everyone uses a certain company, you gotta check a little bit deeper and see how deep their pockets are, if they even have pockets, or do they literally take your money and run. It happens. So thanks guys for tuning in.